Welcome back. To recap where we are in the project so far, we've basically combined our prototype projects into one project, created an 80s themed diner for the first stage, and designed and modeled 7 of the 8 characters. So far, we have the UI for the violin, the acoustic guitar, and the electric guitar. I wanted to start off this devlog by wrapping up the UI for the rest of the characters, starting with the boombox. I designed what I thought would look cool for the character and sent it off to my graphic design friend to create. The boombox is meant to have a more chaotic feel to it, so I asked for beady flashing eyes. Next is the saxophone, who I wanted to be a chill guy wearing sunglasses. I wanted the piano to be a sleepy grandfather with a mustache and a monocle. Lastly is the clarinet, who I wanted to be a female character to contrast the violin. I needed one more character to flesh out the total 8 and decided to go with the bass drum. I thought it would be perfect to have him in a marching band outfit and pair it with a military personality. So these are the total 8 instruments. Let me know which ones you like best. Next, I wanted to put together the character select screen. I added more of a rotation so you could see more of the characters clearly, as well as adding particle effects to some of the characters. I wanted some of the same outline features that I have for the stage for the characters as well, so I had to do a lot of research on the Toonies color shader. After taking a lot of time to apply it, I think it actually looks pretty bad, so I'll have to come back to this later. After talking with my graphic design friend, we settled on a logo that we thought fit the game the best, and I wanted to animate the title screen. This took a lot of trial and error to get the components moving smoothly. I also had to code the tiles moving around to create an infinite horizon. Overall, I think it turned out pretty good, so here's the final result. Next, I wanted to dive into some of the code. So far, the grid is looking pretty plain, so I want to do a few different things to change that. The first would be adding obstacles in between the grid, and the second would be to add character snapping to the grid so that we can add different heights. Both of these will add texture to the grid so that later we can change up the stage in a dramatic way. Here you can see the character being blocked by an obstacle, as well as the character changing its height to the grid height. That's all I have for this devlog. It's exciting to see some of the elements come together, and I'm also excited to see where this all goes in the next couple months. And as always, thanks for watching.